So eczema is a catch-all term that refers to rough, dry, cracked, scaly, and red skin. It's synonymous with dermatitis, just inflammation of the skin barrier. The way that we need to treat eczema is by understanding really what the skin is and what the skin barrier compromises. And kind of a good analogy for this is a brick wall. So in terms of a brick wall, the bricks are actually our skin cells, and the white mortar are the proteins that hold the skin together. In eczema, the white little mortar is missing or dysregulated. So what happens, allergens can get in, and then bacteria can get in, and more importantly, water and moisture can get out. We can fix that with topicals from things like, moisturizers and things that occlude the skin to keep the moisture in, to prescription strength anti-inflammatories such as topical steroids and topical calcineurin inhibitors. Light therapy is one thing that many people don't know actually helps repair the skin barrier by reducing inflammation in those top layers of the skin. Oral pills can be beneficial. There's a relatively new one on the market called Dupixent. There's other injectable types of medicines too. But in terms of eczema, we really have to fix that skin barrier.